it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, I have the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum versus Naturium's Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'm telling you right now, Blockiana is in full effect. Blockiana is in full effect. That's all I have to say. Apparently, whispers and the shadows of a nameless face somewhere in the universe is saying that I'm just raking up free PR and product for what? I just want to say this. Here's the receipt for the Naturium, and here's the receipt for the Ordinary. 99.9% of product I buy on this channel. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch both products. So here is the Naturium Hyaluronic Acid Serum. What do you guys think? And here is the Ordinary, I mean watery. Watered down. So here is Naturium, and here is the Ordinary. What do you guys think? I mean, watered down to the ground, honey. So let's go ahead and smell Naturium. It's clean scent. It smells a very nice, subtle Elmer's glue scent. That's what Naturium smells like. Now let's do Ordinary. This smells funny. It doesn't smell funny in the sense it smells like some sort of off-put gas. That's what it smells like to me, but it's unscented. Y'all get what I mean? It doesn't have that clean Elmer's glue subtle scent like the Naturium has. So I'm gonna apply Naturium to the broken out side of my face. Y'all know my face been looking a mess. Oh, it's so broken out, honey. Y'all see that? Because a lot of times people love to say I don't break out on this channel, honey. Look at the breakouts. And here is the Ordinary. I mean, look it and look it. I mean, just watered down to the ground, honey. I will say this, like, oh my god, the Naturium one feels like a very hydrated, moisturized, almost like a water gel. Like you could literally go out the house with it, but you know, if I say that, I'm being biased even though I bought the product. Even though I've been using these for months and y'all have seen reviews on them on my channel, both of them, you know, I'm still being biased. So as I'm rubbing both products in, the Naturium is very moisturizing and hydrating, while the Ordinary is like dry and literally stuck to my face. Like, I mean, it is just stuck. It's up and it's stuck. Let me do a close-up. So here's the Naturium side of my face. What do you guys think? I mean, look at them breakouts. My skin looks a mess, huh? And then here is the Ordinary side of my face. I mean, it literally dried on my skin. Now, I know skincare nerds that hyaluronic acid does suck in moisture, so it's gonna make your face a little drier. But this one is very, very hydrating, while this one is sticky. So to make this fair, I'm gonna put a moisturizer on my face. I'm gonna use the Inky List moisturizer, just a little bit of it, just to apply to both so we can really see what both hyaluronic acids are working with. And I'm gonna allow this to sit on my face for a few minutes, and then we'll be back to do a close-up because, you know, like I mentioned, I know skincare nerds, hyaluronic acid sucks in moisture. So with the moisturizer on our face, we could get a better look at what the skin looks like when layered with a moisturizer. So it's been 20 minutes with the Naturium Hyaluronic Acid Serum plus moisturizer. What do you guys think? And it's been 20 minutes with the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid moisturizer. What do you guys think? Now, I want to say this, the Naturium Hyaluronic Acid Serum plus the moisturizer on this side of my face is very, very hydrating. It's soft, it's very, very supple. Wow, I mean, the Ordinary side, I mean, it's moisturized, but it's just dry and sticky and a little bit tight. I'm gonna go ahead and do another close-up with the light down so no one's saying I'm being biased. So here's Naturium. And here is the Ordinary. What do you guys think? Ordinary, Naturium. I will say on the Ordinary side, my pores do look smaller, but I look way more hydrated on the Naturium side. I will say that, like, I really look hydrated on the Naturium side. Aside from this light, like, if we could just block that light out, can you guys see? Here is the Ordinary, and here is the Naturium. What do you guys think? We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So let's talk about Naturium's quadruple hyaluronic acid serum versus the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid serum. Now, I do want to say this, they do have different percentages. The Ordinary's is 2%, while Naturium's is 5%. So there is a big difference, and a big difference in price. My personal opinion, I like them both. I do love the Naturium's hyaluronic acid serum more than I love the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid serum. I just will be honest about that. And I think it's like, you know, you would get your child, you know, your teenager who's getting into skincare, you may want to buy her the Ordinary while you're going to get Naturium, because that's like the good stuff. It's essentially like Olay versus like Clean and Clear, or maybe like Neutrogena teen line before Neutrogena start having a more elegant line. I mean, y'all kind of get what I'm saying. Naturium has way better packaging. It is a little pricier by $10 more plus tax than the Ordinary. The Ordinary will run you about $6.80 plus tax. You'll pay about $7.50 for it, depending on where you are. However, it's just way better packaging. It's a way better product. It's very hydrating and lasts all day on the skin. Also, it really acts like a moisturizer, and I mentioned this in my review when I did it before. I've had both of these products for a very long time, and I've used them for months in and months out, and I can honestly tell you that I really do prefer the Naturium hyaluronic acid. It really acts like a gel cream. It's a very hydrating, moisturizing hyaluronic acid. Ordinary's product for me is a bit more drying. It's a bit more sticky on the face. It also flakes and peels, and depending on what type of climate you guys are in, I live in a very dry climate. I've noticed that the Ordinary will literally flake and peel on me. I've never had that issue with Naturium's hyaluronic acid serum. It really is just a great hyaluronic acid, and I feel if you have very dry skin, very sensitive skin, you will really enjoy Naturium's hyaluronic acid serum. It's just not a sticky product at all. I really enjoyed it, and I also like that you can use it on wet skin, you can use it on dry skin. You can't necessarily do that with the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid serum. A lot of you guys have made mention that you literally have to use the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid serum on wet skin, or if you use it on dry skin, it'll get sticky, it'll flake on you, and I've experienced the same. I mean, I've done reviews and we've experienced the same on this channel. With that being said, those are my final thoughts. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of it? Have you tried it? If you want to try it, which one will you pick? Did you think this was a very biased review? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.